So he has given 3 theories. One theory was copy theory. He said, so cowness is the mold and cows are the cookies. So in the mold you fit, cowness में fit किया material organically cow. So different cows are basically imperfect copies of perfect cowness. Cows are imperfect copies of perfect cowness. Now poetic बात है तो. Now Aristotle asked, he said, tell me, the cowness is universal. If you make copies of universal, it should give us. How is it giving us particular? भाई काउनेस से निकालोगे तो और काउनेस से निकलनी चाहिए ना. काउस कैसे आ रही हैं? If we are making copies of universal, we should get universal, but we are getting particulars. Problem? कॉपी थ्योरी की प्रॉब्लम समझ में आई? Second, if cowness is perfect, then the copies should also be, but copies are perfect. Problem? दूसरा उसने एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या दिया था? पार्टिसिपेशन थ्योरी. Said participation, no, actually what happens, so there is this cowness and all the cows participate in the cowness or beauty. Beauty is the idea of beauty. All beautiful things participate in the beauty, and as much as they participate, they become beautiful. More participation, more beautiful. Less participation, less beautiful. Now Aristotle asks, but tell me, idea is one. Idea is only one. It is indivisible. Can it be divided? No. It is indivisible. Immutable. It cannot be changed. How can it be participated by so many things? Participation means if there will be some kind of a division. ये इसका हिस्सा हो गया ना, तो डिविजन कैसे हो जाएगा? Participation theory cannot be correct. And how can something which is in empirical world participate in something which is in transcendental world? कैसे participate कर लेंगे? समझ में आ रहा है कि वहां से कैसे पार्टिसिपेट हो जाएगा? प्रॉब्लम? तो उसने कहा पार्टिसिपेशन थ्योरी भी कर दी है, तो उसने कहा ये भी बेकार. तीसरी कौन सी थी? एक्सप्रेशन थ्योरी. एक और भी है इमिटेशन थ्योरी. कितने भी नाम दे दो, बात तो वही है. ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर द इमिटेशंस ऑफ आइडियाज. ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ आइडियाज. उसने कहा इसका एक्सप्रेशन है, तो जब एक्सप्रेशन है तो वैसा ही होना चाहिए ना. काउनेस का एक्सप्रेशन कैसा होना चाहिए? हाउ डज इट बिकम काउ? tableness expression should be tableness. How does it become table? This is abstract. Idea is abstract. This is concrete. This is perfect. This is imperfect. So basically, Plato was not able to explain how ideas are related to object. How are these two related? He was not able to explain how being and becoming are related. So he created two worlds, but he could not explain the relationship between these two worlds properly. There was no proper explanation. And this is where Aristotle criticized and gave his own theory. He will criticize Plato and then he will give his own theory. Clear?